So today I'm testing the Blizzard Quattro 6.9 WTI. It's the top end women's piste ski in the Blizzard range. It's got a titanium top sheet, full camber on the ski, and with the perfect conditions we've got today, sun's out, great piste, I think they're going to rip. Wow, that was some ride on those Blizzards. They're a great ski at high speed. Stiff, strong, you're really going to that turn, they grip on the edge, back into the next turn. Probably better at high speed, big turns than at slower speeds, but this ski is for a top end female skier. And if you're that kind of skier, you're gonna love these skis.